Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying data types. Make sure the birth date field is date/time. Next, open a new query in Design View or SQL View so you can place the calculation immediately. Once done, avoid text dates. Convert strings to date value if needed, because Access Arithmetic requires true date values. Also, confirm your system regional settings match expected formats, since mismatched formats will produce wrong results. Now you're ready to add the core expression in the query. You'll enter one expression that returns whole years, date diff EI birth date, minus an adjustment if the birthday hasn't occurred this year. In practice, type age date diff EI birth date, if format date, MMDD format, birth date MMDD 10. Then run the query to see results. Make sure to test for records where the birthday is today, has passed, and is still upcoming. This ensures the format comparison correctly subtracts 1 when needed. You finish by saving the query and using it as the data source for forms, reports, or exports. The calculated age field updates automatically. If you see off by 1 errors, make sure birth date is date/time and that format. MMDD returns 2-digit month and day, otherwise the if comparison fails. When dates are stored as text, convert them first with CDate or date value inside the expression. If problems persist, inspect a few raw birth date values to find formatting inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.